Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the basics: visual roof integrity and the shortest, safest path to ground. Install the mast so it extends 2 to 3 feet above the highest roof line. This ensures the rod intercepts strikes rather than nearby objects. Once mounted, attach a copper conductor sized 8 AWG or larger and plan a straight, downhill run to the earth rod. Make sure to avoid sharp bends. Each bend increases resistance. Keep the first step simple, so later work is quicker and safer. Once the conductor route is clear, drive the earth rod at least 8 feet into undisturbed soil until mechanical resistance stops. This reduces ground resistance. Connect the conductor using either a continuous run or a properly installed exothermic weld, so you avoid dissimilar metal corrosion and poor joints. Then bond the system to any structural steel and other grounding electrodes using short, direct leads and listed clamps. These steps lower overall system impedance and ensure the lightning current has a predictable, low-resistance path to earth. You finish by testing and documenting. Use a ground resistance tester, aim for 10 ohms or better, and follow local code if it requires lower values. Inspect all clamps, conductor clearances, and any paint damage that could hide corrosion, and repair immediately where needed. Once done, photograph the installation, record measurements, and set a maintenance schedule for yearly or 3-year checks depending on environment. If tests show high resistance, check for loose clamps or soil conditions first, tighten connections, and add additional electrodes if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.